Students, welcome to All Fours e-learning botany classes. We are discussing placentation, right? In yesterday's session we completed a marginal placentation. Now go for parietal placentation. What is a parietal placentation, right? This parietal placentation is present in parietal placentation. Which placentation it is? Parietal placentation. Parietal placentation is present in argemone. What is argemone? Brassica. Which family? Brassicaceae family. And next one is a Cucurbitaceae family. Which family, sir? Cucurbitaceae family. Okay. Therefore, parietal placentation is seen in the case of argemone or argemony. Second one is Brassicaceae. Third one is what, sir? Cucurbitaceae. Okay. First go for argemone and Brassicaceae family. What and what, sir? Argemone and Brassicaceae family. Right. Now see here. Sir, in case of argemone and Brassicaceae family, what and what, sir? In case of argemone and Brassicaceae family, two carpels are present. Two carpels means bicarpellary. See the diagram once. These two carpels are fused. Yes or no? Therefore it is a syncarpus. Okay. Therefore bicarpellary, two carpels. Two carpels are fused, syncarpus. Therefore bicarpellary syncarpus gynoecium. Okay. Now you see, sir, here how many locules are present, sir? Locule, ovarian cavity. How many locules are present? See, only one locule is present. One locule means what, sir? Unilocular. One locule means what, sir? Unilocular. Yes or no? Right? But due to the development of false septa, false septa. This is called as false septa. Okay. In argemone and Brassicaceae, right, this false septa is called as replum. What it is called as, sir? Replum. It's called as replum. Now you see, due to the development of this false septa, now with how many locules? Two locules. Therefore unilocular became what, sir? Bilocular, due to the formation of what? False septa. Due to the formation of what, sir? False septa. Is it okay? Therefore in what and what, sir? In argemone and Brassicaceae, gynoecium is bicarpellary syncarpus. Right, sir? Unilocular gynoecium, it has become what, sir? Bilocular. Unilocular gynoecium has become bilocular due to the development of what? False septa. Due to the development of what, sir? False septa. Okay, right, sir? In argemone and Brassicaceae, in what and what, sir? In argemone and Brassicaceae, this false septa, argemone and Brassicaceae, this false septa called as what, sir? Replum. Or it is called as, sir? Replum. It's called as replum. Okay. Now on this replum, ovules are present. Where ovules are present, sir? Ovules are present on the what, sir? Replum. What are these, sir? These are ovules. Okay. Therefore where ovules are present? Ovules are present on replum. Replum means what? False septa. Sir, why ovules are present on replum? I already told. Wherever placenta is present, there ovules are present. This statement clearly indicates that placenta is on the reticulum, so ovules are on the reticulum. Is it okay? This is about argemone and brassicaceae. Okay. Now go for the third example. What it is? Cucurbitaceae. What it is, sir? Cucurbitaceae. Sir, in case of Cucurbitaceae family, in case of which family, sir? Cucurbitaceae family. How many carpels are present? You see, 1, 2, 3. 3 carpels. Tricarpellary. Sir, these 3 carpels are free or fused, sir? They are fused. Syncarpus. Syncarpus. Okay. How many locules are present? How many chambers you see? Only one. Unilocular. Therefore, in which family I am speaking about? Cucurbitaceae family. Sir, in Cucurbitaceae family, how the gynoecium is? It is a tricarpellary. It is a tricarpellary. Unilocular. How it is? Unilocular. Which gynoecium? Syncarpus gynoecium. I already told syncarpus means carpels are fused. Syncarpus gynoecium. Okay. Therefore, in Cucurbitaceae, tricarpellary, unilocular, syncarpus gynoecium is present. Sir, in Cucurbitaceae family, where ovules are present? In Cucurbitaceae family, where ovules are present, sir? In Cucurbitaceae family, ovules are present on the inner walls of the ovary. Why only on the inner walls of the ovary? Because on the inner walls of the ovary, placenta is present. What is present? Placenta is present. Sir, this is placenta. I already told wherever placenta is present, there you are going to see what, sir? Ovules. These are ovules. What are these, sir? Ovules. Therefore, ovules are present on placenta. But where is that placenta, sir? That placenta is on the inner walls of the ovary. Is this statement okay? Right. Therefore, in Cucurbitaceae family, ovules, right, present on inner walls of ovary. Ovules are present on what, sir? Inner walls of the ovary. This is parietal placentation seen in argemone, brassicaceae, cucurbitaceae. In argemone and brassicaceae, bicarpellary, bilocular. Actually, it is unilocular but became bilocular due to the formation of false septa. In argemone and brassicaceae, false septa is called reticulum. Ovules are present on the reticulum, that is on the false septa. Whereas in Cucurbitaceae, it's tricarpellary. Syncarpus, unilocular. Ovules are present on the inner walls of the ovary. Ovules on the inner walls of the ovary, right? Go for the third one. What it is? Axial placentation or axial placentation. This is the most common type of placentation present in most of the flowering plants. Therefore, axial placentation is the most common type of placentation. It's the most common type of placentation present in most of the flowering plants. Present in most of the flowering plants. Present in most of the which plants, sir? Flowering plants. Present in most of the flowering plants. Which placentation? Axial placentation. Okay. Now see this diagram once. Sir, all these are carpels, sir. What are all these? Carpels. See, margins of the carpels are fused. What are fused, sir? Margins of the carpels are fused. These fused margins, they are extending to the center and develops a septa. Okay, this fused margin, it is extending to the center and it develops what, sir? Septa. Fused margin extends to center and develops septa. All these are what, sir? Septa. All these are septa. Okay, right. Now see here, sir, all these are what, sir? Septa. All these septa are fused in the center, see, and formed one axis. I am speaking about this part, axis. This axis is called as central axis. Sir, how this central axis is formed, sir? By the fusion of septa. Where? In the center. Okay, right. Sir, on this central axis, you are going to see placenta. This is placenta. What is this one, sir? Placenta. This is placenta. Placenta. On placenta, you are going to see what, sir? Ovules. On placenta, what are present, sir? Ovules are present. Where? On placenta. Where is that placenta? On the central axis. Where the central axis? How the central axis is formed? By the fusion of septa. How the septa are formed? By the extension of fused margins of the carpels. See, all these are what, sir? Carpels. See, margin of this carpel, margin of this carpel, they are fused. See the diagram. This is fused margin of the carpel. This fused margin extended to center and formed septa. This fused margin extended to center and formed the septa. Therefore, fused margins of the carpels extends to center and develops septa. Okay, this septa are fused at the center and formed a central axis. Formed a central axis. On central axis, placenta is present. On placenta, ovules are present. Therefore, in which placentation, sir? Axial placentation. Ovules are present on the central axis, that is around the central axis. Okay. Therefore, which placentation? Axial placentation. Ovules are present. Ovules are present on or are around what, sir? Central axis. On or around central axis. Is this statement okay? Right. We are discussing which placentation? Axial placentation. Sir, axial placentation examples I am writing. Number 1, Malvaceae family. Which family, sir? Malvaceae family. Best example for Malvaceae family is China rose. What are the examples, sir? China rose. Second one, Solanaceae family. Which family, sir? Solanaceae family. Solanaceae family best example is tomato. What are the examples, sir? Tomato. Number 3, which family? Liliaceae family. Which family it is, sir? Liliaceae family. Liliaceae family. Okay, right. And even you can take a citrus. You can take what, sir? Citrus. Citrus, nothing but a lemon. Yes or no? Right? Sir, in the case of China rose, I am speaking about China rose. In case of China rose, 5 carpels are present, 5 locules are present. See the diagram? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carpels, pentacarpellary. 5 locules, pentalocular. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pentalocular. Therefore, in case of China rose, I am speaking about China rose. I am speaking about China rose. Okay. In case of China rose, what is the condition, sir? It's pentacarpellary. It's pentacarpellary and pentalocular. Pentacarpellary and pentalocular. Pentacarpellary and pentalocular. Okay. Go for Solanaceae family. What, sir? Solanaceae family. Sir, I am speaking about tomato. What it is, sir? Tomato. In case of tomato, the condition is bicarpellary, bilocular. What is the condition, sir? Bicarpellary. I am speaking about tomato. Tomato. Bicarpellary, bilocular condition is present. Bicarpellary, bilocular condition in tomato. Whereas in the case of Liliaceae family, in case of which family, sir? Liliaceae family. Liliaceae family. Right. It is a tricarpellary, trilocular. What is the condition, sir? Tricarpellary, trilocular. I am writing trilocular, tricarpellary. Okay, trilocular, tricarpellary. Sir, in the case of citrus, there is a lemon. You can see multicarpellary, multilocular condition. Which condition, sir? Multicarpellary, multilocular condition. Multicarpellary, multilocular condition. In the case of what, sir? Citrus. It clearly indicates that in axial placentation, number of locules are more than 1. in which placentation? Axial placentation. Number of locules. Number of locules. How many locules are present, sir? Number of locules more than 1. Number of locules more than 1. In the case of which placentation? Axial placentation. Right? Go for the fourth one. What it is? Free central placentation. Free central placentation. Once you see this diagram, sir, this is axial placentation. Yes or no? What is this one, sir? Axial placentation. Okay. Sir, in this diagram, right, 5 locules are there. 5 locules. Pentalocular. Okay. Pentalocular. Sir, what is this one, sir? All these are septa. Once again, I am saying this is axial placentation. In diagram, 5 locules are there. Pentalocular. Okay. Right. What are these, sir? These are septa. Okay. Now, what I told, this is which placentation? Axial placentation. What are these, sir? Septa. If this septa disintegrates, what disintegrates, sir? Septa disintegrates. Then axial placentation changes to free central placentation. What changed to what? Axial placentation has changed to free central placentation by disintegration of septa. Now, this is the diagram for free central placentation. Therefore, free central placentation, nothing but modified axial placentation. How it is formed? By disintegration of septa. In which placentation? Axial placentation. Okay, right. Therefore, which placentation it is? Free central placentation. Modified axial placentation. Modified axial placentation. It's modified axial placentation. How it is formed, sir? Formed by disintegration of septa. Formed by what, sir? Disintegration of septa. Disintegration of septa of which placentation? Axial placentation. It means in axial placentation, when septa disintegrates, it forms what's our free central placentation. Now you tell me, is there any septa here? No. Therefore, here how many locules are there? Only one locule. It means multilocular gynoecium changed to unilocular due to the disintegration of septa. Yes or no? What changed to what, sir? Multilocular gynoecium. Multilocular gynoecium has changed to what, sir? Unilocular. Multilocular gynoecium has changed to unilocular gynoecium. Why? Due to disintegration of septa. Due to disintegration. Okay, right. Due to what, sir? Disintegration. Due to disintegration of septa. Okay. Due to disintegration of septa, multilocular gynoecium has changed to unilocular. Okay, right. Sir, where ovules are present? Ovules are present around the central axis. But is this central axis supported by septa? No, septa already disintegrated. No. Okay, right. Therefore, in free central placentation, right, ovules present. Ovules present where, sir? Around the central axis. Ovules are present around the central axis. Around the central axis, ovules are present. Okay, right. Ovules present around the central axis, which is not supported by septa. Which is not supported by septa, because septa already disintegrated. Okay, therefore ovules present on central axis. That central axis is not supported by the septa. This is which placentation? Free central placentation. Go for examples of free central placentation. First one is dianthus. What are the first examples, sir? Dianthus. Second one is primrose, P-R-I-M, primrose. Sir, this primrose can be even called as a Oenothera or Oenothera. Okay, therefore primrose, it's also called as Oenothera or Oenothera. You will get in second year one statement concerned to Oenothera. In plants, mutations first discovered by Hugo de Varis in this Oenothera plant. Therefore, in plants, mutations first discovered by Hugo de Varis, H-U-G-O, Hugo de Varis. Okay, right? In which plants are Oenothera plant? Is it okay? This is free central placentation, right? Go for the fifth one. What is basal placentation? Sir, this basal placentation is present in gynoecium, which is bicarpellary and unilocular. Present in which gynoecium, sir? It is present in bicarpellary unilocular gynoecium. How the gynoecium is? With two carpels. How the gynoecium is? With two carpels, bicarpellary. How many locules are there? You see, one locule, unilocular. Okay, what is the placentation? Basal placentation. Oh, yes or no? Right, it means placenta is present at the base of the ovary. What is this white one? This is nothing but placenta. Where placenta is present? Base of the ovary. On this placenta, right, one ovule is present. How many ovules are present on this placenta? Only one ovule is present. It means this ovary is with one ovule. So this ovary is called as uniovulate ovary. Ovulate ovule, uniovulate ovary, because this ovary is with one ovule. Okay, right? Therefore, sir, basal placentation is present in bicarpellary unilocular gynoecium. Yes or no? Right? Placenta present at the base of the ovary. Where placenta is present, sir? Placenta present at the base of the ovary. Yes or no? Right? On placenta, few number of ovules. Generally, how many ovules? Generally, one ovule. Is it okay? Right? It means here one ovary is equals to how many ovules? One ovule. One ovary is equals to one ovule. One ovary is equals to how many ovules? One ovule. It means in basal placentation, uniovulate ovary is present. Uniovulate ovary means ovary with one ovule. Uniovulate ovary. It means in basal placentation there is a reduction in the number of ovules because only few number of ovules are present, preferably one. Yes or no? Right. Therefore, reduction in number of ovules. Reduction in number of what, sir? Ovules. Reduction in the number of ovules. This is which placentation? Basal placentation. Now go for example for this basal placentation. Example for basal placentation is Asteraceae family. Which family, sir? Asteraceae family. What is the previous name of Asteraceae family? Compositae family. What is the previous name of Asteraceae family? Compositae family. Sir, I am writing some examples for Asteraceae family. Examples for Asteraceae family. Tridox. Number 2, sunflower. What is, sir? Sunflower. Sunflower. Genus word I am writing. Helianthus. What is the genus word of sunflower, sir? Helianthus. Okay. And next one, even you can take a marigold. What, sir? Marigold. Okay, right? Therefore, Tridox, sunflower and marigold, these three comes under Asteraceae family. Okay, this Asteraceae comes under basal placentation, right? Go for the last one, what is superficial placentation, shown by gynoecium, which is multicarpellary and multilocular. Okay, therefore present in multicarpellary, multilocular gynoecium. Present in multicarpellary, multilocular gynoecium. Multicarpellary, multilocular gynoecium. Okay, right? Sir, here ovules are present on the inner walls of the septa. Where ovules are present? On the inner walls of the septa. Why, sir? Sir, these are septa, right? On the inner walls of the septa, placenta is present. What is this? I am drawing placenta. Where it is present? On the inner walls of the septa. What is present? Placenta is present. Sir, wherever placenta is present, there you are going to see what, sir? Ovules. Yes or no? Right. Therefore, on placenta, what are present, sir? Ovules are present. These are ovules. What are these, sir? These are ovules. Okay. Therefore, on inner walls of septa, okay, what are present? Ovules are present. Okay, on inner walls of the septa, what are present, sir? Ovules are present. Or on the inner surface of the septa, what are present? Ovules are present. What are the example for superficial placentation? Superficial placentation example is nymphae. Nymphae. We can pronounce it even as nymphia. Nymphia or nymphae. Its common name is water lily. What is the common name of nymphae, sir? Water lily. It is a hydrophyte. It's a hydrophyte. It's a hydrophyte. It's a hydrophyte. Okay, right? With this, we completed placentation, right? Tomorrow's session, we will discuss, right, fruit. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.